Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to return an item on eBay. If you've bought something on eBay and it didn't meet your expectations, maybe it arrived damaged, wasn't as described, or you simply changed your mind, you're not stuck with it. eBay has a structured return system that helps protect buyers and makes the process straightforward if you follow the right steps. The key is knowing exactly where to go and choosing the correct return option so your request gets approved quickly. Start by opening eBay and logging into your account. Click on My eBay. This will take you to your account dashboard. Inside My eBay, click on Purchase History. Here, you'll see a list of all the items you've bought. Find the item you want to return. Next to it, you'll see options related to that order. Click on Return this item. Now eBay will ask you to select a reason for the return. Clarification. Choosing the correct reason is important because it can affect who pays for return shipping and how quickly your request is processed. After selecting the reason, follow the prompts and submit your return request. The seller will be notified. Tracking is important, so make sure the return shipment is trackable. An alternative method would be to use the eBay returns page. You can also go through another route. From your account, go to Help and Contact, and then find eBay Returns. This section explains how returns work, your eligibility, and additional return options. Once the seller receives the item, your refund will be processed. Depending on the payment method, it may take a few days to reflect. Using eBay properly ensures a smooth and protected return process. To summarize, returning an item on eBay involves going to My eBay, opening purchase history, selecting the item, choosing return item, submitting a request, and shipping the item back once approved. You can also use the eBay returns section under Help and Contact for additional guidance. And that's how to return an item on eBay. It's a simple process once you know where to go, and it's designed to protect you as a buyer. The most important thing is to act quickly, choose the correct reason, and follow the steps carefully so there are no delays. Returns are a normal part of online shopping, so don't hesitate to use the system if something isn't right. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.